Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of tuning in, you are welcome to Ayu's Kitchen. And if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Support your girl, Ayu's Kitchen. Thank you for tuning in and God bless you. For my old subscriber, I say thank you for your support and encouragement. I love you all. Thank you very much. Today I will be showing you guys how I make my nut smoothie. These are the recipe I will be using for my nut smoothie. Almond, walnuts, cashew nuts, black seed, chia seed, dates, and soya milk. Soya milk, cashew nuts, walnuts, almond nuts, dates, black seed, chia seed, I'm done with my nut smoothie, and this is how it looks like. If you like this video, support me by pressing like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification button so whenever I upload new video, you will be notified. Thank you for tuning in. God bless you. See you on my next video. Bye. Love you all.